Hello guys, welcome back to another video on our channel How to Crypto. In this guide video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can change the password of your Pionex account. To change the password of your Pionex account, firstly you need to open up the website of Pionex and then log into your account. Then after you're logged in, you can hover over your profile. Then a drop down menu will open. From there you can click on account settings. Now you can see all the settings that you can manage on your account. To change your password, you can click on the reset button. You can either choose to reset your password using your phone number or your email. I'm going to be using my email address to do so. Type in your email address or your phone number. Then after you're done, hit next. Then slide this puzzle to verify that you're not a robot. Next, a verification code will be sent to your email address. You need to enter the code here. After you enter the code, you can click confirm. Now you'll be able to create a new password. Make sure that your password is at least 8 characters long, which must include special characters, letters, and numbers to make your password strong. Again, confirm your password. After you're done, you can hit submit. And just like that, you have changed the password of your Pionex account. So I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did find this video to be helpful, then give this video a thumbs up, and we will be soon back with more content such like this. Thank you for watching.